Welcome back to another exciting episode of Oh So Yummy with me, Rivaraa, naidoo. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken curry. So for this chicken curry, you will need the following ingredients. Chicken which is cut into pieces, onions, masala, turmeric, dhania and jeera powder, ginger, garlic, salt, chilies and dhania. And I'm going to be using some of my dried spices. And the dried spices are somo fennel, jeera, 1 black alcha, 1 cardamom pod or also known as ilachi, clove, cinnamon stick, and this beautiful star anise seed, and also a bay leaf. So now we're going to move on to the stove for it to be a delicious chicken curry. I'm going to add some of my dried spices into my pan. Now I'm going to wait for the spices to infuse with the oil. So now the oil is infusing with the spices. Now we're going to add our onions. And mix it up. Now I'm just going to even it out. And now I'm going to just wait for it until it gets a little bit of golden, so then we can add our masala. So I'm going to add my turmeric and give it a mix. Once you see the onions nice and golden brown, we're going to add our masala and mix. We're going to add our chicken and mix. Now we're going to add our other stuff in. Now I added my ginger and garlic. I'm going to add my salt, dhania and jeera powder, and my 2 chilies. I'm not forgetting my dhania. And give it a mix. Now we're going to cover it to let the meat seal. Now you can see that our meat is sizzling. Now we're going to add some water and let it cook. Now we're going to cover it to let it cook. Now you can add potatoes, gadra beans or double beans, or you can leave it plain. But I'm going to be adding gadra beans. And mixing it up. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water and then leaving it to cook. I'm going to give it a mix and then I'm going to cover it for 25 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, your curry should look like this. Now it's time to plate up and enjoy.